If you want to point your GoDaddy domain to a server or website, the process is actually very simple once you know where to click. In this video, I'll show you how to set up an IP address for a domain in GoDaddy step by step, so you can connect your root domain to the correct hosting provider without confusion. This is perfect if you're launching a new website, switching hosting companies, or just updating your DNS records the right way. And if this video helps, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Let's get into it. First, sign in to your GoDaddy account and go to your domain portfolio. Once you're there, find the domain you want to update and click directly on it. This will open the domain settings page for that specific domain, which is important because you always want to make changes to the correct domain. After that, look for the DNS tab at the top of the page and click it. This is where all of your DNS records are stored, including A records, CNAME records, and other settings that control where your domain points. Now you're inside the DNS settings, and this is where the main part happens. Take a look at your existing records and search for an A record with a name @ or @. If you already see one, that means your root domain is already pointing somewhere, and you can simply click the pencil icon to edit it. If you do not see an A record, no problem at all. Just click Add New Record to create one from scratch. This is the record that will connect your domain name to the IP address given by your hosting provider. When the record form opens, fill in the fields carefully. For type, choose A from the drop-down menu. For name or host, enter the @ @. This is very important because the @ tells GoDaddy that this record should apply to your root domain, like your site.com, instead of a subdomain like www or blog. Next, in the value field, paste the IPv4 address that your web host or server provider gave you. Make sure you copy it exactly as provided, because even one incorrect number can prevent your website from loading properly. For TTL, leave the default value in place, which is usually 1 hour. In most cases, the default setting is the safest choice and works perfectly fine. Once all of the information looks correct, click Save. GoDaddy will then update your DNS zone file with the new A record. Keep in mind that DNS changes do not always update instantly across the entire internet. Sometimes the change is live very quickly, but in other cases it can take a little while to fully propagate. So if you don't see your website connected right away, give it some time and check again later. That's really all there is to it. By adding or editing the A record in GoDaddy, you can point your domain to the exact IP address you want. And that's the core step in connecting a domain to hosting. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.